Are you using bottled water?
Yes, I'm using bottled water. Is that all right?
If you don't put no tap water...
Man, listen. I'm not... It's good enough for tap. Listen. Leave me alone. Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nay, and I am super duper excited. I ordered the Q-Redew steamer and I'm about to use it for the very first time. I'm excited. This is either gonna go really good or it's gonna go really bad. This is a semi-box opening. I already opened it and I recorded it on my phone. It just didn't, it didn't work out right. So I'm gonna do it again. So ta-da-dang! So it comes with your instruction manual. It comes with a really nice note from Heidi Schmidt, the inventor and founder. And they give you all this information on if I was to do a review video, where to send it. And so I'm gonna do a review video and send it. And this is the handy dandy steamer. I've been wanting to use steam on my hair for a really long time because I do it anyway in the shower. And now I have the ability to put it exactly where I want it. Let me get right to it. So my hair, I did a twist out. It's getting a little tired. It's a little, yeah, it's time to go. So I'm really trying to go for a heatless rest of the summer. This includes blow drying. So I'm sectioning my hair, by the way. We're gonna start with my hair in sections. So there is a reservoir cap in the back. And in this cap, you're gonna put your water. So you can tell, you can see how much water it is. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but so it's right here. I'm gonna fill her up.
Are you using bottled water?
Yes, I'm using bottled water. Is that all right?
If you don't put no tap water...
Man, listen. I'm not... It's good enough for tap. Listen, leave me alone. And so it has a light. Right there, can you see the light? The light will blink while the appliance is warming up. When the indicator light stops blinking, the appliance is ready for use. So we finna pull the trigger and see what she does. Oh, it's warm. Y'all see the steam? Oh, shit. Ooh. 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 Oh, wow. This is so dope. Do y'all see what it's doing? This is so dope. Okay, so what am I doing? So the steam is actually going through my hair exactly where I want it. And I can feel the moisture. My hair is warm. And you can kind of see that it's somewhat stretching out. I wasn't expecting this to comb through like a comb attachment. It definitely, but now, it is. It's like a wide tooth comb. Yo, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I've steamed this section. It feels soft and moisturized. So I'm going to get to styling, and I'm just gonna go section by section. I'm gonna spray my Pravana color protectant spray in here now that I'm done misting. And from here, I'm going to LCO. Now, I did something different today. So I got water in here, right, which is awesome. I'm also gonna spray this with a little bit of aloe vera juice. So we got aloe vera juice, TGIN leave-in, the green tea super moist conditioning leave-in, my Old Faithful. Take my Denman brush, oil, and now I'm going to twist it up. So the goal that I had with this steamer was that I want big full fluffy hair. I'm just gonna put a couple twists in it. This feels so amazing on my hair.
A few moments later.
Guys, I have completed. I have a total of 8 2-strand twists in my head, and I just did a little bantu knot at the end, so it'll have a little bit of a curl on the ends. She about to be my new best friend this summer. I just wanna, like, I think when you stressed out, you should just come home and just, you've been at work all day, or the kids getting on your nerves, your husband getting on your nerves.
Are you using bottled water?
Yes, I'm using bottled water. Is that all right? Just go in the bathroom, heat this up, and just rub your scalp. Okay, no, for real. This is about to be my new best friend. So I didn't even use a whole reservoir full of water. I don't know how that's possible because I felt like I steamed the hell out my hair. The moisture that this put in my hair, like if I really wanted to, I could just steam my hair to do almost like a wash and go type curl and put some gel in it and see, and I'm gonna try that. I love this thing already. This is the first time I'm using it and I can already tell I'm in love, but I'm gonna keep using it and maybe I'm gonna follow back up. Some YouTubers have said that they don't like it. The steam, it doesn't come out the way it did when you first used it. So if you've been natural for any amount of time, we all know that our hair needs moisture. Moisture is not grease, moisture equals water. Well, sometimes when you just spray water into your hair and your hair is going to get sopping wet, and you don't necessarily want that all the time. This steamer is a great way for me to get moisture into my hair without it getting soaking, sopping wet. This is a great way to just revitalize the hair. If my hair feels dry, like without putting a whole bunch of water and completely changing the style, you can use this just to like put a little steam where you need it. Like if your roots are feeling a little dry, put a little moisture on it, put a little sealant oil on it and keep it going. Or if you want to go through your entire head the way I did, try that. The reason why I wanted to get this steamer is because I really want to be able to stretch my hair without blow drying. I'm going to try some other methods and show you guys how they work, but this was one method that one of the first methods I wanted to try and use out to see how stretching my hair without using direct heat and tension would work. So this steamer thus far, awesome. Steam good for your skin too. See y'all tomorrow. We're back. It's the next day and I'm ready to take this bonnet off and see what these chunky twists look like after using the Q-Redew steamer yesterday. Get my secret sauce out of my basket of goodies. If I can, there it is. There it is. I got my secret sauce. I got my pick. I got my gel and my edge brush. All right, y'all. I really like how big and fluffy this is right now. This feels good. I really like, I haven't even picked it out, and I kind of like the amount of volume that I have because that's what I wanted. I wanted big, full, tossly curls. So it wasn't like I did a whole bunch. Hello. What are you doing? I don't know if y'all can see, but my cat just hopped on the damn table. Like, I guess she wants some attention. I don't know. Like, look. I'm done. All in all, this thing put steam exactly where I wanted it. It did exactly what I wanted it to do, which was moisturize and straighten at the same time. Willow wants to be in the camera. You gonna say hey to it? Well, bye. It put moisture exactly where I wanted it on my hair. It allowed me the ability to manipulate where I put the steam instead of just standing in the shower and hoping for the best. And it worked good on my skin too. I was steaming my face and my face feel hydrated. If you enjoyed watching me crack open this Q-Redew steamer and like the results that I got, honey, please click the subscribe button so you can see more. Comment down below. If you have the Q-Redew steamer and it's been working for you, hit me up, let me know. You can hit me on Facebook under I am Naturally Nay. Instagram is Naturally Nay Pics. I'm on Twitter under Naturally Nay. Contact me, DM me, slide in them DMs and let me know how the Q-Redew steamer worked for you. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.